Hello, my name is Rawah Abdul Razak. I'm going to present my IT project about for the courses is managing intelligent devices in enterprise environment. Here in my project, I start with the continent to that's what the structure required for like as a abstract introduction, design process, and the development process, and the last one is the testing and the result, and the final step is the conclusion and bibliography works. For the abstract, I'm going to talk about the issue of the humidity and temperature monitoring in real time. That's what does mean influences about, but where, why we use like as a element or component to do sensing, and that's one when the sensing like by sensor, for example in the HT11, and then send it to the Arduino, because I didn't receive the Raspberry, or I didn't buy a Raspberry, but I use just Arduino. And then Arduino we can connect it with the Wi-Fi and or another computer to make clear the in the real time the result. For introduction, I start with what's going on with the IT, what is the future is gonna be, what is the meaning of IT, and how gonna connection with the house cloud platform that owned by Amazon services to provide the process in the real time of the database. That's mean give each time the send it and collect it to the user, and the Arduino, the system that control and analyze and organize the data. Here are some objective I mentioned in for this project. It is to build a real-time database using Aus Cloud and submit the database using Python code on Arduino on R3, and create an interface display that's LCD. I use the LCD to show the temperature and the humidity. And so then for this project, I'm going to send alerts from Aus Cloud to the interface that's usually can use it to check the data in the real time remotely. Here the design process, some design process. You can see here what I use for the design process here. For use Arduino and like the H11, the HT11 and LCD to show the here. This is the fourth design I make, but it still is not working. A software, I use Arduino on R3, just like mini computer, and to create the program. And here there is some program, some piece of code that's connected the pin for the LCD and connected the pin for the H11, and for to set up the void setup and the void loop to show what I want in the LCD or in the Arduino console. Here the deployment of the process, like flow system design when they start, but I use this one from the somewhere, but I think this is like the same because I didn't use the application. But to use the computer, I have to use that application or a smartphone. The communication protocol is the highest used for data exchange between the component and the component. For the communication, I use like a JSON file, JavaScript file. This is more flexible and structured data that's network connection for transfer from server and client. Testing, here some result I get. Yeah, time by time I get some result from my that's collected by the sensor, and disably in the as you see in disably in the LCD this here, as you see in the picture in the my conclusion. The conclusion is the main purpose for that system weather monitoring system is to alert the users. Like for example, if you alert the gardener that's plant the flower or something on food or something like that, is gonna be take care before something is worse happen. Like if you humidity is gonna be high, or if your temperature is gonna be high, they're gonna use something to watering, like to irrigation, like irrigation for the planet before that starts or before that's happen. And this is the future what we're gonna do, what I hope is gonna be to create interface archiving for a historical record, and added more sensor to connect like the satellite, to connect satellite for a global future. And also the main idea I use to create the maintenance properties and well known for weather monitoring. And the last one is some bibliography and worksheet that I get the information. This is here I use other computer for the code using Arduino, and library use some collection like a Wi-Fi or like LCD, or I used some library from Arduino. And that's my all I mean and my this project. Thank you.